Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com. We are back in Las Vegas. We are at the Horseshoe Hotel and Casino property, formerly known as Bally's. We are on the 25th floor in an executive suite, and I'm so excited to share with you this room because they have done so much to make this property amazing. We loved our stay here. As you can see, this room has a big soaking tub right in the middle of everything, huge space. Large closet area that has everything you need, your safe, whatnot, and then 2 sink areas, which I loved. You've got your cosmetic mirror, all the little toiletries. There is a walk-through shower in between these 2 bathroom sink areas. Has a bench, great rain shower, and then you can walk right through this to the other side. Again, the soaking tub just sits kind of in the middle of all this with your sink, a closed off toilet area. So spacious, so well done. These rooms are huge. As you can see, lots of sitting area. There is a refrigerator in the room. Just really well done. Lots and lots of space, but really probably the best thing about this room, in my opinion, is the view. We are closer to the strip side of this property and the rooms that they offer, but as you can see, we have a great view of the Sphere and just so much space in this room. So now, really my favorite part was seeing the Sphere at night. So I want to give you a peek at what that looks like. The way this room is set up is really cool because there's a mirror that actually shows you the Sphere on that side. And then, of course, the real Sphere is over on this side. But fascinating. Like, you could literally lay in the bed and watch the Sphere change. And as you'll see, I'm going to leave way too much video showing Sphere videos so you can see all of those, and I will actually just turn the sound off and let you enjoy those. But they were beautiful in the morning, in the day, of an evening, and whatnot. So anyway, just enjoy these, and just know that when you are booking these rooms, definitely try to request a Sphere view because it is totally worth it, in my opinion. So with that, I'm just going to turn the sound off and let you enjoy all of these wonderful views of the Sphere from our executive suite here at the Horseshoe Hotel and Casino property in Las Vegas. There you go. And if you lasted this long, I thank you and hope you enjoyed all of those wonderful views of the sphere from our room here at the Horseshoe. Let me know if you have questions. All of the details will be down in the description. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.